Basic. Pa-share pre-live natin guys, pa-share. Ayan, let's go. Ayan na pala.
Would you like to have a drink with me?
An enemy has been slain.
Don't forget, follow my page.
Another word for compromise is fair.
Ha? Yay! Yung number natin mga lods. Okay.
Lightning?
Oh, di pa namatay. My God,
The
my
more
God.
your fear grows,
What the heck?
the smaller.
Okay, let's...
Let's see who has the last laugh. Another word for compromise is failure. Lightning?
Wait,
Start by changing.
paki-share po like natin mga lods. Please support naman si Cherry Game eh. Oh my God! Oh, patay ka na dyan. My God. Finish. Stand. Ah, may pin ako.
The more your lightning?
Kinuha pa yung kill ko. My God, napakatakaw mo talaga. Patay ka na dyan.
Double kill. Launch attack.
Word for compromise?
Ayan, thank you sa pag-share idol. My God.
Lightning?
Kinuha na naman. My God, napakatakaw nyo talaga. Wag na.
Monster kill.
What limits you is
Fuck.
not magic. It's
Ayan, nag-SS pa mo si
the way
Beatrice.
you use it.
Godlike.
I need mana. Ano pala, like, push naman yung tower mga lods.
To change the world, don't fight with lightning.
Target ako ha, porket konti lang life ko ha. Target ako. And na?
Life
My God, baka ma-shoutout pa ako dito.
magic to life.
Legendary. Double kill. Legendary. Your team triple kill.
Basic. Hello, hello, calling.